Hello, this is Jerome Sorilia, and today I'm going to share to you the stamps that I bought that depicts the city of Candon for its 25th anniversary. So come, let's get closer. Let's have fun. So basically, the city of Candon, or in Filipino, Lungsod ng Candon, is in Ilocos Sur. Diba? Anniversary niya, 25th anniversary ng cityhood niya. And the Philippine Post Office, nag-issue sila ng stamps ito. Ewan ko bakit nag-lit bigla yung yung flashlight, pero let's walk through. Okay, so basically ito siya. The first one is, let's see, sino ba to? It's Abaya, Don Isabelo Abaya. There you go. May church siya. And then, I think 2 churches at the back. And then, there's Don Isabelo Abaya. Tapos, meron siyang rebulto na may nakasakay siya sa sa kabayo. Next is, this one is Cry of Candon. Medyo matanda siya dito. Sa likod niya, medyo bata pa. I think mga Katipunero to. His name is Fernando Guirnalda, I think. I don't know ba't bigla ako nagsinipon, pero yun na siya. And then, basically, yun din to. Ang next naman is this one. Minerva Dario Singson. Ooh, Singson. They came from a political clan in Ilocos. And then, siguro lang ha, siya yung composer ng Candon Hymn. Candon City Chamber Orchestra. And lastly, this is Candondino Gaerlan. Oh, so therefore, yung Candon, kinuha sa pangalan ni Candonino. Siguro, and there he goes. Naka-shades pa siya. Basically, ito yung Black of 4. Yan. Yan yung Black of 4. Tapos, si Don Isabelo Abaya. This one is Fernando. Basta. Ang hirap ng mga pronunciation apelido nila. This is Minerva Dario Singson. And lastly is si Candonido Gaerlan. There you go. So, yan siya. City of Candon. At basically, gaya na sinabi ko, ito yung stamps na gagamitin ko next sa post-crossing ko. So, there you go. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.